What's good, guys? It is Trav here from Neighbourhood, and welcome back for our June HubSpot update. We've got a bunch of exciting updates for you this month as HubSpot continues to elevate its platform to improve to help you find, sell, and keep your people right through 2023. As a reminder, we've gone live with our 10 tips to master Service Hub in our latest HubSpot user group. If you missed out, don't stress, as this will be featured on our YouTube channel so that you can make the most out of your Service Hub investment. We'll also leave a link below and here. Well, without further ado, let's get stuck in. Kicking off our public beta features, customers using workflows can now see the impact of issues in each workflow's issues details panel. Users will now have visibility on actions and contact records connected to each separate issue. If you're an enterprise customer, you'll have the opportunity to customize reminders about the workflow issues you intend to monitor. This allows critical issues to be addressed immediately rather than becoming mixed up with trivial issues that appear. Enterprise users can now choose to review specific workflow issues on certain dates or after specific time periods. New in public beta is the ability to share HubSpot dashboards via email with non-HubSpot users. Why is this important though? Well, it offers a more efficient avenue to get your reports directly into the hands of your stakeholders instead of relying on data exports. Now, as a heads up, you'll need pro or enterprise users for this feature. Next in beta is the increased number of development sandboxes for those enrolled in HubSpot CRM development beta. Currently, users can create only one development sandbox, though to cater for a more diverse group of users, HubSpot have bumped this up to 2 sandboxes. Next cab off the rank, HubSpot has upgraded the way customers can track campaign spend and budget. Campaign customers can now track their individual campaign budget and spend items on a dedicated budget space in the campaign details page. This new feature allows customers to track detailed campaign budget and spend information through individual line items, track total campaign budget and spend per campaign, and finally track the remaining budget considering the campaign spend. Next up, the new data panel in Workflows now gives you access to more of your CRM data. This ensures your team can work efficiently to provide unforgettable customer experience. Now with the new data panel, you can access data from enrolled records as well as their associated objects and use it all within your workflow actions. Moving on, HubSpot has just announced the trial of bulk actions to bulk update WhatsApp consent for one or more contacts in your portal. The ability to bulk change WhatsApp concept supports the following: those who have gathered opt-in from other sources such as web forms or events, users with the need to transfer opt-in programmatically to the HubSpot contact, and finally, those that are migrating existing WhatsApp subscriptions from other providers into HubSpot while also being able to transfer or assign an opt-in status. The next feature up for grabs for marketing, CMS Pro and enterprise users. If this is you, then you're in luck with the latest rollout of the new CTAs tool. Marketers can now create different types of engaging CTAs for their pages, such as pop-ups, slide-ins, embeddable buttons or banners, without all the help of a developer or a designer. Thanks to the new drag and drop editor, they will get full flexibility to create and style their CTAs exactly the way they want it, ensuring they're consistent with the website and your brand guidelines. New to public beta is granular object permissions. Well, what is it? Well, when a custom object type is defined, HubSpot will automatically add it to the object access section within the user permissions. This will include granular permissions for viewing, editing, and deleting records of that custom object type. Now, if you're looking to set these new granular permissions, check it out via the permission sets and the user endpoints. But what about existing custom objects? Users' custom object permissions will reflect what they were previously set as when it was only one permission. The new custom objects, users by default get maximum access when the new object was created. What do you think of this feature? Let us know in the comments below. Want to get hands-on with this new beta? HubSpot customers can now participate in betas that let HubSpot AI automatically associate calls with deals in HubSpot. If you're wanting to give this a go, then we've included a link in the description below where you can visit to see what all the hype's about. Adding the capability of calling through the HubSpot platform, HubSpot has begun creating the foundation to display custom calling data across the CRM. Starting with a page of 8 calling reports, the data housed on this page will feature basic reports and then will eventually evolve into more custom call reports that are only built by HubSpot. The custom reports will be created with feedback and data compiled during the public beta, and it will offer insightful calling data for their reps and businesses. This will be a progressive feature to look out for in months to come. Adding to the stack of set public betas, users can now view NetSuite sync status and link records directly from the contact record. This feature is available for all contact, company, deal, and invoice records right within HubSpot. Next in beta, users can now view Dynamics 365 sync status and now link directly to the records from the contact record, giving you confidence that your integration is syncing to the right record. The integration sync card will now appear automatically in the list of CRM cards once released from beta. Head to your record customization settings and add the integration sync card to your record view in company, contact, deal, or invoice to get a hold of this new feature. New in beta is the addition to HubSpot's ad feature, available for those that are a marketing pro or enterprise. These users will now have the ability to create ad goals right within the ads tool. Now being able to create 4 different ad goals and track their progress from the Analyze tab right within ads. These will include contacts from first form submission, cost per contact in a lifecycle stage, network conversions, number of contacts in a lifecycle stage. Closing out our public beta, here's a few smaller, niftier features that have just dropped in the public beta. Users can now clone line items right within HubSpot's line item editors. HubSpot has increased the number of line items that can be added to a deal, going from 100 to 200. Next up is the ability to manage Instagram @mentions from within the Monitor Streams interface inside the Social tab. And finally, in public beta is the ability for marketers to request approval before publishing a website page, landing page, or blog page. I know this is the one I've been waiting for. Now, if you enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Now for what's live and kicking right inside HubSpot. If you're aware of the most recent drag and drop collaboration sidebar in workflows, HubSpot is now adding this drag and drop version into HubSpot dashboards. This sidebar means that marketers can quickly access a handful of useful collaboration and productivity tools right across HubSpot. Next up in recent updates is an upgrade when creating NetSuite sales orders directly through HubSpot. Users can now take advantage of choosing between HubSpot or NetSuite pricing, sending attachments to NetSuite, as well as using NetSuite assembly items, package items, and a whole bunch more. This is a new feature that both helps the likes of sales reps that have visibility on pricing across both platforms, in addition to accounting teams using NetSuite as a source of truth for audits. If you're an advocate for top-notch reporting, then this new feature is for you. When creating a report, you can now insert multiple metrics from one XY chart. Previously limited to only one measurement at a time, users would need to produce several separate reports to showcase each metric. Now when reporting on measures that are broken down by the same dimension, you can add up to 10 metrics to the same report. Keeping the ball rolling in reports is the ability to sort your data by the property label, allowing you to resort your report in alphabetical order. Now you can organize data from various vantage points and can change the story your report is telling. New to HubSpot is an update to the workflow app that supports goal-based workflows, allowing users to operationalize their goals. This is done through using already existing goals to be set up in workflows that can trigger various actions. Next cab off the rank is one for Marketing Hub starter customers. Users can now create simple workflows in ad campaign creation and management. This offers the ability for starter customers to create simple yet powerful automation tasks. An example being a follow-up email after getting an ad interaction from within ad campaign creation and management. HubSpot's latest live forecast data insights displays how your revenue trends against your monthly, quarterly, and yearly sales targets. The Forecast app dives deeper, making it easy to monitor how your forecast pipelines are trending over time. If you're in the sales and service enterprise tier, well, this one's for you. The HubSpot GraphQL API for fetching HubSpot CRM data and its associations is now up for grabs to customize when creating complex custom cards. We'd be here for quite a while if we broke this feature down, so instead we've included a link to discover more about this feature in the description below. New inside our favorite CRM is the new display for inbound calling data in the support toolbox. Showcasing inbound calling data, and in this tool allows HubSpot support reps and other internal users to identify inbound call data and make better informed decisions for customer internal teams. Last but not least, our last nifty feature in June's HubSpot update is the ability for marketers to request approval before sending a marketing email. And that's a wrap on our June HubSpot update. I hope you've enjoyed these updates and are as excited as we are here at Neighborhood to test out all of these neat new features. If you want to learn more about HubSpot, please check out our online training by signing up for free trial today. With our do-it-yourself onboarding package, you and your team can learn at your own pace with hours of Hub by Hub training. Or if you think you might need a bit more of a hand in understanding of what you might need, then just hit us up below. And don't forget to check out our latest HubSpot user group that has just been released on our YouTube channel, giving you a free masterclass into Service Hub with our top 10 tried and tested tips. Well, that's everything from me, guys. Have a fantastic June and happy HubSpotting.